Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another product review and I'm super excited about this. I'm always super excited about trying new products, all about natural products, and I'm always trying to try new natural products out, not just on my hair. This is not a hair tutorial today or a hair product review. It is actually a product review on Sway natural detox deodorant, so something completely different. But let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. I literally just received the package yesterday. I have not actually opened it up. Before we go ahead and jump right into unboxing Sway, I want to give you guys a little backstory. So this is not my first natural deodorant. I've actually been wearing natural deodorant for about 2 years now. I won't go into details as to which deodorants I have used. I'll probably maybe make another video for that. Maybe the last deodorant that I was using, it actually irritated my underarms, and it caused my underarms to start darkening again. So this over here is what my underarms look like when I start using the first natural deodorant. This is what my underarms look like now. Maybe it doesn't look that bad to you, but I want like pretty underarms. Like that's just something that I desire to have. Let's go ahead and jump right into the benefits of Sway and why I decided to try it. So Sway is actually a natural deodorant that I did stumble upon on Instagram. It wasn't just a deodorant itself, but I decided to purchase the Detox Deodorant Kit. So I thought that was interesting because this kit, I think it's more designed for like first time natural deodorant users, because if you don't know, like, this is a big transition for your body. If you've been using deodorants with like aluminum and harsh chemicals in them your entire life, like your body might go through a lot. And like when I first started using natural deodorant, like I was like sweating like ridiculously, and I don't sweat. Like I'm not really like a sweater. On top of that, like smelling like really bad. Like, but you just have to allow your body to like push all of that out, I guess, or whatever. So yeah, so I thought like this would be like awesome, even though I'm not like a first time newbie to this, but I just wanted to like try the entire experience. So first impression, like this is so awesome. They provide a, looks like a little gift, something, glow nectar vitamin C serum. So this was not a part of the kit, I don't believe. So I feel like this is like a free gift. Maybe it was a part of it and I just didn't read it. But this is like super awesome. Oh, and it looks like they sent me like a personalized note. So much for your, I don't know. Please keep us posted on how you love Sway, and we'd love to hear your thoughts and see pictures. I really want to know what that word is. Love my Sway, pound sway it. Welcome to the Sway family. XOXO Rebecca. That is so sweet. Who does not love an extra gift and a personalized note? Like, so that's pretty awesome. So it looks like Sway also comes with a user guide on how to use the detox kit. So step 1, it looks like I am to detox my pits. So Sway Underarm Detox Mask is a supercharged charcoal mask with the power of pure clay and apple cider vinegar that purify and illuminates your underarm skin while spreading and easing the transition of natural deodorant. So yeah, so like you guys can see that. So that's exactly what I thought. So it's like perfect for anybody that has never tried natural deodorant to go ahead and test it out. And I'm assuming that like this step is maybe something that I would have needed in the beginning, because like I said, I was going through a lot of stuff. It looks like it comes with an applicator to put the detox mask on. So let's see. To apply a even layer to clean dry underarms. Got that, they're clean and they're dry. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and remove with water. Okay, I'm excited. So all I'm doing right now is waiting. I've applied the detox mask, and it said that I need to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I have about 5 more minutes to go. It was very easy to apply, and the smell is kind of like a earthy, I don't know, scent, but kind of refreshing, kind of a clean some kind of way. So I'll be back for step 2. All right, I am back with clean underarms. I've washed it off. I know it looks like I probably didn't wash it off, but I told y'all what that deodorant did to my underarms. So yes, and it was for sure that deodorant, because I know somebody's gonna say, no, you also can have dark underarms from shaving. So another little fact about me is that I started underarm laser hair removal about 3 years ago. I don't have underarm hair to shave. So if I do have to shave like a couple of fuzzes, it's like once every 4 months. So shaving your underarms one time every 4 months, which equates to 3 times a year, ain't gonna cause that discoloration. But let's go ahead and move right on to step number 2. Like I said, that was such a sidebar. So the second step is balance your pH. Sway is the first and only deodorant that uses apple cider vinegar to fight body odor by eliminating odor causing bacteria at its source. And it did tell me to shake. So let's go ahead and apply. And it is a rollerball, and so that means it's gone, and it's liquid basically. And the smell is also very earthy, but I kind of like it. So let's see. Hopefully this product helps my underarm discoloration, because like it's really frustrating. I love how everything that they provide me, they like kind of let you know like there are no harsh chemicals in their products. Like they continuously say on every single bottle that I see it's 100% natural. I love that that it is also vegan, that the product is not tested on animals, it's no aluminum or no parabens in the product. Like that's so freaking awesome. It does say that I have to allow it to dry, which I don't really like that part, because I really want to like put this on right now because our underarms are basically dry now. So I'm just, and I shook this up a lot. So is something supposed to be coming out? Maybe I didn't do what I was supposed to do. Seeing the powder. I don't know. I'm seeing it now. Probably just put too much powder on there. But again, it's my first time. I don't know what I'm doing. So today, I feel like will be an absolutely amazing day to test this product out to see if this actually lasts all day, because I will be running for cancer later on today. So this will be a perfect way to test it out, because I might actually be sweating because I'm going to be outside running, I guess a 5K. I don't run, so, but I do support causes. So not really a runner. I'll probably kind of sprint, maybe jog a little bit, dance, and party with my friends. I will give you guys an update to let you know if this product did last the entire day. And then that's it. Well, I am back. I made it, and I'm super, super tired. I cannot believe I did this run again. And it is midnight now, but I promised that I was going to let you know what did I think and how did this product hold up today. And I must say, I don't smell like a billy goat, but I have a little, I smell like it's time for me to get in the shower. I've only applied the deodorant once a day, so I didn't reapply. Probably if I reapplied, maybe I wouldn't have just a hint of day or night on me. But overall, I really, really enjoyed this deodorant. Like, I didn't feel any type of irritation on my underarms, like applying it. I give Sway 2 thumbs up from the product being 100% natural, no aluminum, no parabens, not tested on animals, gluten-free, vegan, like, and I feel like it actually withstand the test of me actually running in a like a race. If you are interested in trying this product, go ahead and go into my description and you will find a link for 20% off your first purchase. So go ahead and try it out. I mean, I think out of any deodorant, this was probably the best one for beginners. So that's just my 2 cents. I mean, you be the judge. If you've ever tried natural deodorant, comment below and let me know which deodorants you have tried. And of course, always hit that like button if you did like this video, and go ahead and subscribe. I'm about to go ahead and get in the shower because it has been a very long day. Until the next video,